Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Don't mind me looking all crazy. I have my hair up and my face mask on, and this is just me, a regular person. This is me like 99% of the time when I'm home. If I'm not from my video, I normally don't look this crazy. But anyways, I always forget to film my intro. And Jamaican rice and peas, some French fried chicken, and mashed potatoes, and some Jamaican style carrot juice. So if you guys want to see how we do that, just stick around with me and enjoy the video. Alright guys, these are the main ingredients that I'll be using for my rice and peas, Jamaican style rice and peas, my fried chicken, drumsticks, and some mashed potatoes eggs, mashed potatoes and eggs. This is basically it, minus the eggs. I love my chicken well seasoned, and so I put seasoning everything. Guys, I have a love-hate relationship for this pot. I love it because it holds a lot at once, and then I hate it because it wastes a lot of oil. I let this get hot before I put the chicken in. So what I'm going to do now is potatoes. Now wash the potatoes and the eggs and let them cook. And I'm going to put the potatoes and the eggs in the same pot just to save gas and time. I'm gonna wash the potatoes thoroughly, and I find it easier for me to put them in to let them cook in the skin and then take the skin off afterwards. But you could always peel it before. Do whatever is best for you. Okay guys, so my oil is hot, so I'm gonna turn the flame down. I'm gonna dip my chicken in my egg mixture. Okay guys, now for the carrot juice, I'm just going to use some baby carrots. I'm going to cook the carrots because I find it it gives it a smoother texture when you're drinking it, when it's the carrots are cooked. So a condensed milk, some cinnamon, vanilla, and a bit of sugar. I'm not back home in Jamaica, so I don't have all the ingredients, my dragon, suppergen, etc, etc, to nice it and spice it up. So I gotta just use what I have. We didn't get to go to the international store, so I just have to use what I have on hand. It's still going to taste great because I've tried it before. So yeah, and the chicken is frying. I got my eggs and my potatoes over there cooking. Those to be mashed later on, and this is the water for the carrots. Peas cooked with some garlic and a bit of salt, a tiny bit of salt. For my mashed potato and egg salad, I'm going to use some black pepper, a pinch of salt, my cooked eggs and Irish potato, some mayonnaise, and Miracle Whip. This is the magic ingredients right here, and that's pretty much it. I'm going to rinse these off. I'm going to use the ice cream spoon to mash the potato because I don't have the thing that you're used to. You can dice the eggs or you can break it. It's nothing fancy. As you don't have to use a Miracle Whip. However, I do because this totally transform the taste. And you can add garlic powder, onion powder as an option if you like it. I don't really like it like that other than on my meat, so. Or you can add diced or chopped onion and garlic. So now I'm gonna put this in the fridge. So guys, for the carrot juice, as I said before, I'm going to be using condensed milk, cinnamon, and vanilla, and a bit of sugar. I pour the cooked carrots over, and I pour the vanilla, some cinnamon. I let everything blend. So this is just for 2 persons. This blend on high, and after it blends, it's like it needs a bit more sweetener. I just added sugar. If not, then I just let it stay like this. Also, guys, I had a pinch of salt, just a little bit. Not too much, just that. Some the jar and put it in the refrigerator to chill, because it's best when it's served chilled or with ice. This and this in the peas, because I don't have any schedule and I ran out of onion. Guys, I did this before, but I forgot to eat red carb. So I'm gonna put a little bit of coconut milk powder. I'm just gonna let it cook some more. I'm sure you guys can see what it looks like. I'm going to be using 1 cup of rice because I am cooking for just 2 people. Maybe 1.5 cup of rice. Wash the rice. And guys, I'm going to add some more water to this and add the remaining coconut milk powder. So we're gonna have some butter. But you can use either butter or oil. Add oil. And guys, I'm going to be using my secret ingredients. Mommy's secret ingredient that I'm not going to showcase here. So let me just pause this. I tested it and I feel like it needs some more because I didn't put enough. Perfecto. So guys, while the rice is being cooked, I'm just gonna cover it and go take my shower. See you back in a few. Okay guys, so that's the finished product. I ain't gonna lie, I took some once I got the shower, and I'm not gonna lie, it tastes amazing. Okay guys, so this is the finished product, and yes, I'm eating from a plastic paper plate, plastic spoon and fork, and drinking from a plastic cup because I've been doing dishes all day and I do not feel like cleaning any more dishes. So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please remember to give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't yet and turn on the notification bell. I do upload twice a week on Mondays and Wednesdays. I'm looking forward to seeing you guys. And guys, if you tried the recipe, please let me know in the comments how it turned out. I'd love to hear your feedbacks. Thanks for watching.